Lecture 3 From Nodes to Networks. What makes Napkin different? Today, we're going to step into what makes Napkin stand out from every other note taking tool. Most apps, like traditional word processors or sticky notes, store information in isolation. Napkin, however, is built around connections. It doesn't just keep your notes, it shows you how they relate, forming what we call a network of ideas. This shift from storing notes to building networks is what makes Napkin a powerful thinking companion rather than just a digital drawer. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the difference between traditional note-taking and network thinking. Discover how Napkin utilizes cards, tags, and links to establish lasting connections. Recognize why networks reveal new insights you might otherwise miss. Begin shaping your own small network of ideas inside Napkin. Traditional note-taking versus network thinking. In traditional tools, notes live in folders separated, linear, and hard to revisit. You either remember where you saved something or it gets buried. Napkin flips this around. Instead of isolating notes, it connects them. It's less like a filing cabinet and more like a map of your thoughts, where one idea naturally leads to another. Practical example. Imagine you are studying psychology. You had one note on behavioral conditioning and another on habit formation. Napkin will suggest connections. Suddenly, you realize both belong to a broader theme, human learning. For example, you just click on new napkin and you just go with blank napkin and you just paste the text you have already copied in here. You can name this napkin as, for example, climate change. Okay. Now, when you just click in here you can see this specific text has been converted into visuals, and here you can see you have different options available, like when you just click in here, and for example, if you want only numbers, you can just click in here, and here you can see you can change the style as well. For example, you just want to go with this one or this one. You can use any of these and you can explore this as well, but for example, we just want to keep it simple, so you can use this one. Cards and links. Building blocks of the network. Each note in Napkin is a card. Cards are not locked inside folders. They are free floating. What makes them powerful is the links Napkin creates. Manual links. You tag or connect cards that you know belong together. Suggested links. Napkin's AI surfaces cards that may be related, even if you didn't think of them yourself. This means Napkin grows smarter the more you use it. The network develops alongside your thinking. Why networks matter? A network helps you see patterns, discover themes across nodes that look unrelated at first, think creatively. New connections spark fresh insights. Save time. You don't need to remember where you stored something. The network surfaces it when relevant. Analogy. Think of a napkin like a mind map that builds itself over time. You add one idea today, another tomorrow, and weeks later, Napkin shows you how they are connected in ways you didn't expect. Practical tip for students and creators. When adding a note, don't just type the fact or idea. Also include the context or background information. Add a tag or link that connects it to something else. This small habit transforms a list of random notes into a web of knowledge. Over time, you will stop asking, "Where did I save that note?" and start saying, "Wow, I didn't realize these ideas connect." A napkin is not just a storage tool, it's a thinking partner. Connecting your ideas into networks helps you notice patterns, spark creatively, and naturally expand your knowledge base. From here on, every note you add is not just information, it's a piece of a bigger picture.